Pen and watercolor are a match made in heaven, but if you don't want this to happen, you need to be careful, and there are a couple things you need to look out for. The first thing is if you want to paint on top of the pen, you need to make sure that you have a pen that is waterproof. If you don't have a waterproof pen, it's okay, you can still use one, you just need to do it as your last step after the painting is dry. But you also need to be careful of the supplies that you choose, because even some that say that they are waterproof are not actually waterproof. I've bought a lot of art supplies in my day, and I got. Notice that these two pens look very similar. One is a Micron, and it says that it is waterproof and archival ink, and the other one says the same thing, but it is not a Micron pen. I do have quite a few pens, but for my recent art retreat, we were told to bring pens with different nib sizes, and I don't have that many, so late at night, in a rushed fashion because I was leaving shortly for the trip, I ordered some pens with various nib sizes. And I was doing this through Amazon and not paying quite enough attention. This was a recommended one. It had all sorts of different nib sizes, so I thought that's great. They looked kind of like Microns, which you can clearly see they're not based on the branding. Not only that, they say that they are waterproof. They mention that on there. But as I discovered on the retreat, and as you can see here, the Micron one, when I paint over it, it stays put. The other one, the ink bleeds into the watercolor, and that is not what I wanted. This wouldn't be a huge problem if it didn't say it was waterproof, but it does. Another goofy thing about this pack is there are about 2 in this pack that do seem like they're waterproof, but the rest aren't. Long story short, make sure you're checking those listings to see if they're the actual product you think you're buying, and also maybe don't be so tempted by the knockoffs that might save you a couple bucks, because they might not actually end up saving you anything at all.